All right, today we are testing if a cell phone battery will explode upon being shot with a Russian sniper rifle. Here's the rifle. And we'll go see the target. There's an old blue R1 HD cell phone. You can get them exclusive on Amazon. But that one died after about 2 years of working in my tool apron. So we're going to go out here about, I don't know, 45 yards or so, just to see what it does. I'm not sure how well it'll be able to catch the shot, but I'm going to try. You're definitely going to hear the shot. You just might not see the result. Well, it definitely blew it in half. It didn't explode. I was thinking maybe the battery would explode, but anyway, let's go see what kind of damage it did to the phone. They do come with Gorilla Glass, and they're supposed to be fairly indestructible. So let's see. As you can see there, it blew a hole clean through it. The glass is in still pretty good shape. We'll try it again. I'll aim a little lower. Maybe I'll hit the battery this time. We'll stand back a little bit further too, just to see. Haven't shot in a while. I missed on that one. Hit it that time. Let's see what it did now. This is what carpenters do on rainy days when they don't work. They play with guns. Alright, there's the second hole. Shot 3 times, put 2 holes right through it. Almost went right through this damn camera. That would have been a pretty good shot. Still need to aim a little bit lower, catch that battery. Let's try it one more time. All right, so I'm 3 out of 5 hitting that phone. I'm pretty sure it won't work anymore. But I mean, I guess I could send it to the manufacturer and show them just how strong the glass is. As you can see, I hit it again. Still a little north of where the battery is. The battery's right in here. So let me reload and I'll try 5 more.